Excellent point.
Madam Speaker, my question is directed. It's a supplementary directed to my friend, the Minister of Finance. We banned the use of foreign currency in two laws, Statutory Instrument 33 of 2019 and Statutory Instrument 142 of 2019. In Statutory Instrument 127 of 2021, which is now incorporating the Finance Act, we were in fact protecting the Zim dollar to make sure that every trader uses the Zim dollar and to penalize traders who refuse to accept the Zim dollar, such as OK Bazaars and others who are refusing to accept the local currency for the US dollar. So there is no dual pricing system in Zimbabwe, legal. My question therefore is, why is the minister misrepresenting that? Number one, we have a dual pricing system. Number two, the use of foreign currency by traders, including OK Bazaars, is an acknowledgement of the failure of the de-dollarization process. So we ask once more, why is the government not simply dollarizing once more? I thank you, Honorable.